Google has a history of shutting down apps and services, even though they continue to be used by millions of people. If you've never seen the Google graveyard before, I recommend you check out this website, killedbygoogle.com, as it gives you an extensive list of all of the different things Google has released over the years, when they were released, and when they were shut down. And you should definitely spend some time looking it over. It was just a week ago when Google broke the news that downvote counts on YouTube videos would be going away. Even though people still use this piece of information to gauge the usefulness of certain videos, Google has decided to take that away. And sadly, this looks to be happening again with the last updated section of an application page on the Google Play Store app. Now, I'm not seeing this with every single application in the Play Store. You can see when I go to the Play Store and just select a random app, when we tap the About This App or About This Game option, we can see the last time this application was updated. Sadly, this piece of information seems to be going away. So you can see that we have this information here on this app. But if, for example, we search for Tweetcha for Twitter and then check the About App section, you can see that bit of information is not available. Now it looks like this is showing up for some apps, while it is not showing up for others. So because of that, this could simply be Google doing an A/B test to see if they can increase engagement or installs by limiting the amount of information made available to the user. I'm also seeing reports of app descriptions being missing entirely from certain apps and games as well. So this could very well just be a bug that Google is currently trying to squash. You can see it's showing up for some apps, but for others, that updated on information is not available. As usual, Google has not released an official statement about this issue, but I will be sure to keep the pinned comment of this video up to date with any new information that becomes available. I feel this could be a bad move on Google's part, as many people use this piece of data to determine whether or not they will install an application from the Play Store. Many people will look at this metadata to see if the app has been abandoned by the developer, while others choose to only support developers who continuously keep their apps and games up to date. Now, hopefully this is just a bug and it will get fixed in the near future. But many people are losing hope and suspect that Google is making this change to limit the amount of information available to the consumer. So I want you to use the comments section below and let me know if you are seeing this type of issue in your Google Play Store application as well. Again, it doesn't seem to be happening with every app and game available. You may have to look and check multiple apps to see if that piece of information is there. And use the comments section below to let me know which apps or games you are seeing this affected on and which apps you are not.